Hi guys, this is Shivani. Welcome to my channel. So we all know that so many festivals are lined up to cover right now. How can we forget to look just gorgeous? So this festive season I have so many interesting offers from the brand called Plum Goodness for you. I absolutely love Plum as a brand, and there are so many products that I love from Plum, and you might also like them. But first let me announce this, that Plum Goodness is having a big Diwali sale which is from 22 October to 25th October, and they are offering so many amazing offers. You must check them out before they all get finished. So I tell you one by one what offers are currently there on their website. So on their website you will get 40% discount on their entire range from their website. You will get a free olive and macadamia hair spa kit on orders above 999. Also you can get olive and macadamia hair spa kit and a gift card of rupees 500 on the shopping of rupees 40.99 and above. Also on their website you will get a 35% discount on their gift sets. These gift sets can be a perfect gifting option for your family this Diwali, and you will get 15% discount on the serums which is on their website. Please do check all the offers right now. Now I will share my favorite 4 products from Plum Goodness. So this is the box, and here are so many products. So the very first product is this Plum Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash, which is in this tube. This is the green tea face wash which helps in fighting acne, and it contains glycolic acid which is very gentle on skin and doesn't dry your skin. This is one of my favorite pick from Plum, and this is I think my second or third tube I'm using, and you must try this one if you have acne prone skin. And it doesn't contain any kind of chemical. It's 100% vegan and good for all kind of skins, so do give it a try. Next I have this Plum Green Tea Moisturizer. This is the Plum Moisturizer. I show you the texture. It's non-greasy and absorbs into your skin like magic. Like, it's really good because it's gel based and it is non-oily. It's really good for oily skin. If you have oily skin, you must consider using it. It's really good, and since it has green tea in it, you will love it. Like, green tea helps in maintaining the acne on your skin, and it's really helping in making your skin very hydrated, and at the same time doesn't make your skin oily at all. It is very lightweight in use if you don't like moisturizers with heavy which are very heavy on skin, but it is very light on your skin. So you can consider buying this one if you love light moisturizers on your face. Do try it. Next up I have this Hello Aloe Gel. Hello Aloe Just Gel from Plum. This gel is just so good and one of my favorite because it doesn't contain any kind of chemical, and it is just pure aloe vera gel. It doesn't contain any kind of colors. If you go into the market, you see that there are so many aloe vera gel I have tried earlier, but they all contain some kind of chemicals in that, the coloring, and there's a lot of things as well. But this doesn't contain any artificial color and anything like any fragrance, which is not good for your for your skin. So it is pure aloe vera gel, which is good for masking your face, and really good for your hairs as well. If you want to get a shiny and glowy hairs, shiny and smooth hairs, it really helps in that. So you can buy this one as well. I love this product. This is my second favorite product from Plum. Last up I have this Plum Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal. This kajal is just amazing. It's really good for sensitive eyes like I have, and it doesn't contain any chemical. It's very long lasting, and this is smudge proof and this is waterproof, and it doesn't contain any chemical because some products are completely 100% chemical and cruelty free. So you can consider buying this kajal because this is the best kajal out there. So this is it about these products, and yes, the sale is still on. Go check it out. The link is in the description below, and yes, get your offer right away. And all the products are on a very good discount right now, and the offers are so good that is perfect for this Diwali season. You can gift to your loved ones and your friends and family. So do check them out, and don't forget to check my description box. All the details of the products and everything is given in the description box. So this is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye.